It's impossible to be on the road these days and not see an SUV or crossover somewhere nearby. In fact, these utility vehicles can often make up more than half of the new vehicle sales in a given month. SUVs are amazing. For starters, these vehicles can be very affordable, and because they give you a height advantage and more cargo space, they can certainly give you more bang for the buck. However, while SUVs offer many advantages, they also come with a significant downside: high maintenance costs. One of the main reasons for the high maintenance costs in SUVs is their complexity. SUVs are typically larger and more powerful than sedans or hatchbacks, meaning they have more systems and components that can potentially break down. Another factor that contributes to these high costs is the replacement parts. Due to the larger size and weight of the SUVs, many of the components used in their construction are more expensive than those used in smaller vehicles. So after checking through various customer reviews, we've come up with 10 SUVs you should avoid if you don't want to go broke from high maintenance and repair costs. Number 10. 2023 Cadillac Escalade. The Cadillac Escalade is the ultimate symbol of American luxury, with its imposing size and bold design. Despite sharing its underpinnings with models like Chevy Tahoe and GMC Yukon, the Escalade stands out as a formidable competitor to other large SUVs, like the Lincoln Navigator, Jeep Grand Wagoneer, and Mercedes-Benz GLS class. If you're considering owning a Cadillac Escalade, be prepared to shell out around $12,933 for maintenance and repairs during the first decade of service. While it may seem like a significant investment, keep in mind that, yeah, it is. And if you're not a CEO, you'd best avoid it. Although owning a Cadillac Escalade is an investment in style, power, and luxury that will last for years to come. Number 9. 2023 Infiniti QX80. The 2023 Infiniti QX80 is boasting a timeless and sophisticated design, with luxurious appointments and a classic look that stood the test of time. Although it shares many similarities with the Nissan Armada, the QX80 is offering a more upscale experience at a price point that is more budget-friendly compared to its newer and flashier competitors. What's the catch then? Well, it's the maintenance costs. Keep in mind that maintaining and repairing the Infiniti QX80 for the first 10 years will cost you approximately $11,582. Wow, that's quite a lot of money to shell out on your SUV. Number 8. 2023 Lexus GX. The Lexus GX is a daring vehicle boasting a bold exterior design, complete with a massive grille and well-appointed cabin space. With the option of a comprehensive off-road package, the GX's capabilities are taken to new heights. Now, if you're wondering about the cost of maintaining a Lexus GX 460 over the first 10 years of ownership, you can expect to pay around $7,652 for maintenance and repairs. However, if your driving will primarily take place on paved roads, there may be more suitable options available in this segment. Number 7. Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer is loved in America because it's well-rounded and fairly practical. It also comes with plenty of legroom and a third row to make it a complete family car. But it's not the cheapest SUV to maintain. During the first 10 years, a Ford Explorer will cost you around $9,017 to maintain and repair, which is more than the industry average for popular SUVs. The vehicle also has a 26.6% chance of needing a major repair during that same period. And if you've gotten this far, it means you're probably enjoying the video, so why don't you drop a like and subscribe if you're not already with us. Number 6. 2023 Volvo XC90. The Volvo XC90 is a luxurious and stately choice among mid-size luxury SUVs, offering style, size, and luxury appointments, as well as important safety features. The XC90 is definitely one of the most expensive Volvos to maintain. It has an average frequency of repairs 0.6 times per year and an 11% probability rate of major repairs. But the XC90 does stand out with its elegant interior influenced by Swedish design and is available with a range of powerful engines, including a turbocharged inline-4 mild hybrid and a turbocharged inline-4 plug-in hybrid. The cost of keeping a Volvo XC90 in top condition for 10 years can be expected to be $12,359 for maintenance and repairs. Sheesh. Number 5. 2023 Audi Q7. The 23 Audi Q7 is a family SUV boasting sleek handling and spacious interior, making it decent for those who desire both luxury and sport. With its premium materials and advanced technology, the Q7's cabin exudes elegance and sophistication. For a decade of luxury and performance, owning an Audi Q7 may cost you around $12,489 for maintenance and repairs. Under the hood, the standard 261 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine is providing plenty of power, while the optional 335 horsepower turbocharged V6 is offering more muscle and allows for a maximum towing capacity of 7,000 pounds. Number 4. 2023 Land Rover Range Rover. The Range Rover isn't just any SUV, it's a masterpiece of automotive engineering. An expensive masterpiece to maintain. As a luxury brand with poor reliability ratings, Land Rovers tend to be pricier to maintain than the average luxury full-size SUV, with an annual repair cost of around $1,174. When you're buying a high-end SUV, the sticker price is only the start of what you'll be paying over the life of the vehicle. As innovative as the Range Rover is, it's also not the most reliable. Keep in mind, owning a Land Rover Range Rover will not only give you a smooth and powerful ride, but also comes with maintenance and repair of approximately $18,228 in the first decade of its service. Number 3. 2023 Porsche Cayenne. SUVs are loved for their spacious interiors, comfortable cabins, and impressive towing capabilities. But the Porsche Cayenne takes it to the next level. Whether you opt for a 335 horsepower turbo V6, a 434 horsepower twin-turbo V6, or the powerful 460 twin-turbo V8 on the sporty Cayenne GTS, this SUV packs a punch. But not all that glitters is gold. The cost of maintenance of this car is ridiculous. The Porsche Cayenne will cost you around $20,552 for maintenance and repairs during the first 10 years of service. Number 2. 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLE. Now, if you're somebody who values designer brands above all else, the 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLE class might just be the one for you. Inside, the cabin is elegantly appointed and spacious, except in the optional third row. The GLE is also packed with cutting-edge technology that'll delight tech enthusiasts, including a dashboard adorned with a plethora of screens. Are you ready to experience the luxury and class on the road, but still wondering about the maintenance cost? Look no further than the Mercedes-Benz GLE class, with an estimated cost of $14,738 for maintenance and repairs over the first 10 years of ownership. You can rest easy knowing that you'll be able to enjoy a smooth ride and sleek design without breaking the bank on maintenance. That is, if you can afford it. And number 1. 2023 BMW X5. This midsize SUV is boasting a diverse range of powertrains, including a smooth turbocharged inline-6, a powerful twin-turbo V8, and an eco-friendly plug-in hybrid option, ensuring there's something for everyone. The X5's handsome cabin makes it a good everyday car, only if money is no object, while its handling offers a charming drive. Go ahead and experience luxury at its finest with the BMW X5. But we can't forget the budget for maintenance and repairs, with an estimated cost of around $18,389 for the first 10 years. Yikes, yeah, it's a lot, but for the true driving enthusiasts, the Porsche Cayenne may be a better option. But those looking for an all-around exceptional SUV, the X5 takes the cake. In conclusion, owning a luxury SUV comes with a price tag, not just in terms of the initial purchase cost, but also in terms of maintenance and repairs. And as we've seen, certain models can be particularly costly to keep in top condition. That's all for today, everybody. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel with those notifications on. You have a wonderful day, drive safe, and we'll see you next time.